Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to unlock this phone, the Samsung Galaxy M Prime 3 from Cricket Wireless. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below if you're going to unlock this phone or any other phones through the unlockingcompany.com. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alrighty guys, first step in the process is to go ahead and get your IMEI number. So you're going to go ahead and hit *#06#, and you're going to go ahead and copy this IMEI number down, write it down, keep it safe for future use, and we will go ahead and get right. Next step in the process is you're going to go to the unlockingcompany.com. Great company to work with. They've been unlocking my phones for quite some time now. I've used them several times. Their link is going to be in the description below, but you just seen it, the unlockingcompany.com. So who makes your phone? We're going to go ahead and go over to Samsung. Done. Alrighty, and then we're going to go ahead and go over to select your model, and this is the Samsung Galaxy M Prime 3. So here we go. Let's go ahead and look for that Samsung Galaxy. Like I said guys, they have several phones, so you know, chances are they're going to have your phone guys. So even if you're not looking for, there we go, M Prime 3. So yeah, they have phones you've never even heard of in here before. So, and if they don't have your phone, you can just go ahead and put in the LG, you know, unlock all, Samsung unlock all, and whatnot. So no worries there. You're going to go ahead and take a look at the picture right there. Make sure it kind of matches up. Samsung Galaxy M Prime 3. You just got to make sure that the actual phone, the wording actually matches, that's all. And then now you're going to select what country you're from. You're going to select what carrier you're with right there, Cricket. Obviously this United States, it came from Cricket Wireless. You're going to go ahead and go hit next. And then you're going to go ahead and pop down here. And then you're going to go ahead and put in that IMEI number that I told you to write down. You're going to put your full name right there. You're going to put your delivery email address right there. Alright, so since this phone is pretty new and it says Samsung, it says average price is $55, you say $15, so right now it's $40, and it takes 1 to 72 hours to wait. So, and you're going to get delivery email once it's done. So let's go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and wait and see what happens, and I'll be right back. The next step in the process is going to be to remove your SIM card right there, and then go ahead and just grab a SIM card. I'm using Mint SIM for this this phone right here, so we're going to go ahead and pop in the Mint SIM. But we're going to go ahead and put in, or we're going to go ahead and take this one out. So this is pretty easy because it is a removable bag. Sometimes you have a SIM card that you need to take out with a little tool, like a needle or a paper clip or something like that. And yeah, and then just replace the SIM card that you want to use with another carrier. And then I'll show you exactly. And once you actually have that SIM card in there, this is what's going to pop up. It's going to say SIM network unlock pin. So you're going to go ahead and put that unlock code that you got from that email. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll show you the next. Once you have actually put in your PIN, it's going to say network unlock successful, and now you'll be able to successfully use any GSM carrier. You know, I got Mint SIM running in here. You could put Metro PCS. You could put anything basically that's GSM compatible in your phone now. You're not stuck to just Cricket Wireless. So if you did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and hit up the unlockingcompany.com if you'd like to get your phone unlocked or any other phone. And thank you for sponsoring the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.